Welcome back once again, ladies and gentlemen. Without killing much time, we'll just dive into the news what we'll get for now today. The news say our ban was approved by Abba Kyari, not Buhari. The people, when they talk this thing, ladies and gentlemen, now IMN, those people what they call the shite people. When their leader, now that man when he dey into jail today, when he dey into DSS then, you know who be their leader now, when they call Al Zakzaki. This group come out today, ladies and gentlemen, come they brag, they slam Abba Kyari and the Jubri Aminu Al Sudani. And another news when we get, when we follow up, now news when we say APC people, ladies and gentlemen. Then they praise Osibanjo for partnering with Buhari. I never see this kind of headline before, where then they praise vice president. When they say now vice president to a president, say then they praise her for partnering. Now I can't say men make una one day there, make una see the praise one they praise these people for partnering with each other, whereas them be president and vice president. According to the way we wanna put them. We wanna continue until that fowl go crow, kokoroko on top all of our heads. And very soon the fowl must to crow on top all of our head. When una sabi manipulates. When una sabi do wuru wuru, the APC politicians, Funky D, one they talk to. So first of all, make we just start with this shy people. Make una hear waiting these people they tell Nigerian people regarding waiting that same Abba Kyari they do to Nigerian people, 200 million Nigerian people. The whole manipulation, even say the NSA when be Babagina Mongono don't come and can't tell the whole Nigerian people the whole secret when they behind Abba Kyari and the whole wuru when they behind Abba Kyari. Nigerian people, all of una still dey there, they shout Buhari, Buhari. When Buhari don't die since 2017. Because if Buhari die alive, all this since when they talk, then we know for the hearing. See now, somebody like Abba Kyari, they control 200 million Nigerians. Unconstitutionally, illegally. I see that fowl goes to crawl on top of my head. Kukuruku. That time you go no see it don't set. And it must to set very soon. So the shy people, ladies and gentlemen, they say the news this news they come from POS. They say the Islamic movement in Nigeria, IMN, better known as Shite people, say they don't argue. They argue, say they ban when them ban them in 2019. Say it not follow the law. It not follow the law at all because say the prescription order, you know say them prescribe them as terrorist organization. They say the prescription order say they not follow the due processes. Say the person when approve the prescription order, when they say now they don't prescribe on. Say not be President Muhammadu Buhari, but the person na Abba Kyari, the chief of staff to the president. And again, say not be Buhari prescribe them. So to Nigerian people, this one again na northern people, na then the Nyano, not be people from southeast. Not people from southeast Denyan. Now, northern people, when all of them they dine and wine, they tell you now say Buhari not they there. Say na still Abba Kyari. Now him sign the whole thing. When they sign, when they take, prescribe them. And for that reason, say the thing na null and void. We continue. In July 2019, the Federal High Court in Abuja now them order the prescription of the movement. Days after the group protested the continuing detention of its leader, what they call Sheikh Ibrahim al-Zakzaky. All of us witnessed that protest when they kill people, when they kill. Make we go down, ladies and gentlemen. The protest, come reportedly, you know, remember, and I say the protest, that day when they protest, then kill one police officer, one journalist, and 11 other people. Now him then kill that day. After the killing, now him, Abba Kyari and his group come out, prescribe these people as terrorist organization. So these people, once again, they can say that prescription na null and void, because not be President Muhammadu Buhari did there, not be President Muhammadu Buhari prescribed and say na male Abba Kyari, male chief of staff. That is ordinary chief of staff. Ordinary chief of staff, not be president. Now him they do all this things, so make you not forget say na the same man. Now him pursue Osinbajo as VP. And they make you not forget say na the same man I still pursue the NSH boss when be Babagina Mongono, just because of memo when leak. And what they can't kill one woman on top this same man head. Nigerian people stay quiet. The same man again, Aisha Buhari, don't come call, cry to Nigerian people, say, men, chai, make una stand up, say, get some element when they don't kidnap and hijack, overthrow my husband. When be President Muhammadu Buhari, say, no be Muhammadu Buhari, they there, say, in no if they do any pillow talk with the husband again. The same man, and the same man and the Kano don't come. Tell the whole world, cry. Tell the world, say, man, the people when they there, when be Nigerian president and the vice president, nah, that so-called Mamman Daura and Abba Kyari. All of them still sit down. This one now shy people, they talk. I know they hear they support shy people, because all those people, them too, really, those people, them be terrorist people. Because the things where they practice in Nigeria there, not be normal thing where they practice, when they want bring come down to that country, where they call Obodo Nigeria. So we not dey here to support them, but we dey here to dey explain to una, to dey narrate to una, to dey yarn una the way when things be in that country. May we una see people when bring Nigeria to eat nails. Abba Kyari and Mamman Daura. Abba Kyari have a very, very bad record, looting record. He did there. Dealing of arms in hand did there. Boko Haram, Esmin, all of them. Now the same Abba Kyari. Dealing with the Igbo people, I mean the Biafran people, the same Abba Kyari. Now they do all these things and not Muhammadu Buhari as soon as they claim. So APC leaders, PDP leaders, funky D say, make una stop to the deceive on ourselves. No not fit deceive funky D anymore. The whole world don't know what they happen in that country. So we continue. Make we continue with the thing when these people they tell us, ladies and gentlemen. They come, they talk, say the prescription. I mean, the people when they now this IMN people, what they call the shy people. Okay, say they don't urge, they say they urge one justice, what they call Justice Nkonye Maha. Say now this justice, now in issue the prescription order on July 26, 2019. Say him rely, the man can't rely, the man when be Justice Nkonye Maha can't rely only on a memo, by Abba Kyari, not be Buhari. Tell me now, if President Muhammadu Buhari did there, who gave Abba Kyari that guts to the sign, to the prescribe, to the do all this dirty job when in the do? I tell you now before, only this man with the other old one they call Daura overthrow President Muhammadu Buhari. Una still did there they call APC and PDP. 2023 they come again now. Una don't they shout APC and PDP. The same Nigerian people they claim say they not see food to chop, they not see water drink, they not see electricity. That's what I tell you. I don't tell you before, see. Before una go see light in that country, the only way una go take see light in that country now when una turn back against APC and PDP. These same people, now the problem when we get in that country. So, the contact say the memo, okay, the contact say, these people contact say, the memo say, it been contain presidential approval for the prescription application to the National Security Advisor when be Babagina Mongono. The people when they talk this in, now they punch. Whereas they don't know say nothing like presidential thing. Now only Abba Kyari at the end of the day when they do their investigation. Now only Abba Kyari do the whole thing. The group come maintain say, neither Abba Kyari memo nor a letter by Mongono, okay, dated July 23, 2019. None of them, none of these memo carry any Buhari's approval or prescription. You understand? And the things when they go exhibit in the courts, even when they go see, the courts see none carry any Buhari's approval or prescription in the courts. Say na only Abba Kyari matter, the whole thing when Abba Kyari draft, na him dey inside their so-called memo. The contact say, the IMN, the contact say, the thing is against the federal law, is against the law. So they come they challenge now. These people now come and come they challenge the Federal High Court in Abuja on the order of the ban. When they take ban them, they come they challenge, say man, Buhari signature not there. Nobody, the only person when do the whole thing when they do now Abba Kyari, and Abba Kyari not consult nobody on this matter. Now only him prescribe these people because they know say these people now know the reason why Abba Kyari that they fear. Because they know say if he set like this, serious protests come out, the whole bad thing where they don't do must to come out. Now be the problem when this will get. That's why you see them prescribe IPOB unconstitutionally, then prescribe these people, then prescribe that people. If you see say small group won't come out, okay, look at Sowore now. Because Sowore say he won't do protest. Remain small. They don't already prescribe Sowore, say they do with they do something with a terrorist organization, nothing when they don't tell Sowore. Whereas everything now why? Because these people then they fear because they get one coffin hidden under their own cupboard or be their wardrobe. How did they talk this matter again? So then get something when they hide. That is why you see any small group come and say, oh, they want protest, they want do this. All of them don't they panic. Okay, look at again now. They don't they talk say they don't ban protest. They won't ban protest. I be they don't ban them. They don't ban them. They won't ban them. Today they will say they won't ban. Tomorrow they will say they don't ban. From Kidi don't know the one when they say nobody will protest again. Before the contact say okay, people no go protest past 3 days. The same group of people, ladies and gentlemen. Because then they fear because they know the evil when all of them when they don't do. However, ladies and gentlemen, these people contact say they ban when they ban the federal high court or the federal government ban them. Say they not follow the law. They not follow the law. For that reason, them they not buy them. They not buy the prescription because na Abba Kyari. Meanwhile, in a reply filed on February by that judge, lawyer, what they call San, Falana. Falana can they argue say in section 2 of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013, contact say the approval of anything when they want approve or when they want do the prescription when they want do or whatever when they want approve, say it must to come by the president, not be by the chief of staff. Okay, not be by the chief of staff to Mr. President, but it have to be by the president himself. And they claim here say the whole thing when they do, when Abba Kyari do, ladies and gentlemen, say na null and void. Say that man when they call Abba Kyari, na him commit that thing when they call treasonable felony when they nyan, when those people they nyan say na treasonable felony. They can't talk and here say na only Abba Kyari they commit that thing in that country. This thing na pause once again. Na pause news. Say na only Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari no get right. Abba Kyari no get that power to do anything, because in fact, when I know say the chief of staff, according to what they tell us, chief of staff matter not dey in Nigerian constitution. So for that reason, these people now, even with the Mr. Falana, all of them now they claim say they matter this prescription when the Federal High Court Abuja prescribed these people as a terrorist organization, say na null and void. And say Abba Kyari don't commit. In fact, that man don't murder Nigerian democracy. That man what they call Chief of Staff, Abba Kyari. And Nigerian people, all of them know it well. APC people know it well. In fact, for Abba Kyari today, even they interfere in Nigerian security system. When we say he don't know anything about security in Nigeria, he not just ordinary chief of staff. They do everything in that country, and the whole world know, and Nigerian people not see they there. They look for Nnamdi Kanu, they do for Sowore, they look for people when not doing anything. Innocent people. But people when they commit treasonable felony, as soon as they claim, or as soon as they call them, then they there on a doorstep. They deal with owner. Owner not fit do anything. DSS they there, they arrest innocent Nigerian people. Army they there, they do their own. All this, you see the way when Nigeria be, just because the president not they there. No commander in chief as owner they call him in Nigeria. No commander in chief. Person when be on a commander in chief. Now that impostor where they call Jubril Aminu Al-Sudani and Abba Kyari. Like waiting these people don't tell us here now. Because me when be from Kidi, I don't call the arrest of Abba Kyari immediately. Don't take when they call Nigerian people, Nigerian government, when they claim say una get somebody when be president, whereas una claim say una go school, then una claim say una get judges, lawyers, barristers, professors, and all that and all that. But today, now somebody when not go anything, when not even not know anything about government, when not know anything about governing, now him they lead una, and all of una know it. Una they there, they mope, they look at the man, they command, they control all of una. I just wonder. I say una must to arrest that Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari don't commit bad things in that country. In fact, Falana and these people now, this group of people, shy people, they don't talk them again now. See, Abba Kyari commit treason, serious treason in that country where they call Nigeria, and he have to be arrested immediately. You understand? Now, make we go to the claim when these people they claim. May we just they can conclude this segment. Osibanjo, Buhari partnership, Nigeria's ticket to the next level. Una see they call next level. This next level one I don't feel. In fact, next level never even come. They don't already feel. Which next level una they claim? Una when be the APC people. So make we go into the matter. The All Progressive Congress when be APC, ladies and gentlemen. They say they don't comment the vice president when be Yemi or their own isolated vice president when be Yemi Osibanjo for partnering with the President Muhammadu Buhari. Does that comment make sense? This write-up not make sense, ladies and gentlemen. How you go talk, say, they comment two of them already, we know say, na ona vice president and on our president as on our claim. Unfortunately, the president don't die in 2017. The man went there na Jubri. Nothing one can tell us here again. So why una go comment, they comment two of them for partnering together? They're not supposed to partner together. We don't know say they be partner before. So all these things will show you say all these things when they write, they come, they talk now why you. How you say they comment vice president for partner? They're not supposed to partner before. Waiting make them both of them president and vice president, not to complement each other. So for commending the commendation one of the comment, it don't make any single sense to Funky D. So now still why you think the APC Osibanjo partnership with the president, according to them, they say it will take Nigeria to the next level of peace, progress, and prosperity. When the country they on fire, una still they talk about peace, progress, and prosperity. Which means they talk about. Who know they come they deceive? Where peace they in that country? Where progress they in that country? Where is the progress? Nigeria know the progress. Instead of moving forward, I don't tell them say Nigeria they go down the drain. I don't tell them before say una when don't hop on top APC train and the PDP train. Make una hop down because una they go down the drain. So how una go they claim say peace day? Where peace day in that country? And when everywhere they on fire. Who una they deceive with all this right up on the right? This new they come from Daily Post. Daily Post, I already talk this and say Osinbajo and Buhari partnership will take Nigeria to the next level of peace, progress, and prosperity. Now, these people. In a statement signed by a spokesman, where they call Malam Larry or whatever, Issa, in concern the APC, they come they salute the patriotism, doggedness, and untiring effort of the vice president in partnering and assisting President Muhammadu Buhari in tackling insecurity una they tackle. Insecurity, fighting corruption, which corruption una they fight, and resetting the nation's economy in the path of growth and development. Ladies and gentlemen, these people then be big fraud. Which insecurity una they tackle? Recently, they killed 51 people. Another day, the other day again, they kill 31 people. The other day again, they kill 30 people. Every day, then they kill. Every day, Boko Haram, they kill people. Boko Haram, they mount roadblock. ISWAP, then they look for on military men. Which insecurity una they talk about? Which fight una they fight? I been a corruption matter. Una they fight corruption. Somebody like this man, they walk up and down. Osinbajo when carry that 5 billion when be the VP now when they praise, he did there. The NDDC boss when be Akpabio. When after Akpabio don't steal 108 billion, ladies and gentlemen, it still be Abba Kyari puppets. You know the reason why these people that they keep all these people quiet. Because say anytime when they want sack somebody like Akpabio or somebody like Okorocha or all these people, even Oshomole now in problems, see they there, they quanta with them, then go threaten them, say then go come tell Nigeria something where they know. About that thing when they for Asorok. About that man when come from Sudan. When they come lie or say rat, everything die in the man office. When make the man over 6 months, the man not resume office. Whereas then they try to change the, the fingerprint. When when the Jubri come, according to the waiting that they claim, enough that in fingerprint, enough open the door to enter his own department in Asorok there. Now they can't go rent one place for them or put on one particular place in Asorok. The content Nigerian people see rats, cats, everything die inside Buhari's office or inside the Buhari's apartment. Whereas the man when come from Sudan. All these things now lies when Nigerian people don't quickly forget. When APC people they tell Nigerian people. Today now they come pray say that they fight corruption. I say Akpabio. Mena, see they walk up and down. Today they go carry the man go. Tomorrow they'll carry and come back. Before you know they'll say, oh, then carry in Peking. Like now in Peking they go down release that in Peking then catch him with a gun. Catch him with plenty money. Look at what the man when be chief of staff they do. Which corruption una they fight? Una don't see where the thief they fight thief. Thief when corrupt person when corrupt they fight another corrupt officer. Una don't see a way possible. Or where thief they call thief, say you be thief, and whereas the two of them knows all of them be thief. It not a walk like that. You cannot fight thief with thief. You cannot fight a criminal with a criminal. The only way where you go fight criminal with criminal be say you catch a criminal and arrest the person, interview the person, use them against the other criminal. That's the only way. But if you say all of them, they walk up and now all of them are criminal, say you won't fight criminal. Okay, for example now, they say then they fight insecurity. Then they fight Boko Haram. Shebi, they fight Boko Haram. How they take fight Boko Haram? When tell us say won't go carry Boko Haram people from where then they integrate them, do everything, give them everything what they want, then carry them go abroad, go train them. And every day, they can't lie to us, say, army, do this, army, do that, and fight Boko Haram. How do they take fight Boko Haram? Army not they fight any Boko Haram. Now innocent people, army people they kill. And they kill themselves too. That one we will come to that news later. So, una when be army, na innocent Nigerian people, una they kill. Una not they fight any Boko Haram. Make una stop to the lie to Nigerian people. We don't big past this level. Nigerian people, they don't move ahead of una. Army not they fight no Boko Haram. Because if army they fight Boko Haram, those people, like I said in the other of my video, when they catch already, when they claim say they don't catch, therefore don't take them, go arrest all those ones when they inside Sambisa forest. Where army, which army they fight Boko Haram? So, nothing like fighting Boko Haram, nothing like fighting corruption. Like I said before, Nigeria will continue to remain the way when in there until Nigerian people will make up their minds. Army people, na them be the Boko Haram. The Abakiara Mamadaura, na them be Boko Haram. Now there I won't stop. And again, make una stop to the praise of Osinbajo, because we know say Osinbajo don't say when they don't send Osinbajo packing from Aso Rock. Even the Northerners don't come talk and say the same Abakiare na take Osinbajo job. We will make una forget all those who are congratulating Osinbajo or commending Osinbajo for nothing. Nothing. Since APC they on board in Nigeria, they not bring any change to that country. Nothing like next level. Everything na fake. Everything na fraud about APC political criminals. Well love. I'll see you people next time. Make una stop to the light on Nigerian people, because we're not there here to send on a message. When I know they send us message, we not fit send on any message at all.